I have some amazing news for you all. I have just made one application, so it's much more easy to use our Pocket Option Auto Trader on an Android cell phone. While we are waiting to be approved at Google Play Store, I have made so you can download it here and install it very easily. In this video, I'm going to show you how you easily can install our application so you can get started also. As you can see over there, I'm sharing now my screen from the cell phone where I'm installing everything, and you can see how I do it live. I will do from the part of installing till logging in, because I don't need to register it, but it will basically be the same. And as it's installed for the first time, you will also see how it works, how you activate the bot automatically after you have made a deposit. So I will also take a couple of trades so you can see how the bot is working. So if you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, I will leave a link below the video to this page so you can also install on your Android phone. Of course, I will leave another link if you want to install on your desktop. So let's get started. So first, here you can see the page. I'm rolling through my tablet here now. You can do this on an Android phone also. So you can see I now push to download this. I push install. You need to wait a little. By the way, if you for some reason get that is not approved by your phone or your tablet or whatever, just go to setting and then you approve it from there. You will get a link directly for that. Okay. Sometimes you need to approve the file, or sometimes you just approve the program, the file program that you're using. Just turn it on and then you can install automatically. It's very easy. But if for some reason that you get stuck and you don't manage to install this, most of the cases it will go very easily for you. You will just see on screen what to push, just approve it. But if for some reason it will not work for you, don't worry, in a few days Google will approve and you can install this directly from Google Play Store. But if you want to start with this today, this is the page you can use and you can get started today. So let's continue. So as you can see there, I push open. What happened then? You will see something like this. Here is more like a registered page. What you do, you just push this register button there. Then will look the same like the login screen that will come for me. Basically, you just register, you make a deposit. You have many ways to deposit. After you have made a deposit, I will show you what will happen. So what happened here now, I will push login instead because I do have an account. You can't use your old account, you need to make a new account with my link. If you have an account from before, you will need to withdraw your money and close your account and open a new. You can't have two accounts with Pocket Option. So if you want to use my bot and you have an account in Pocket Option from before, you will need to close it down and open a new. Okay, so now I will skip the part to login so you don't see my information. So I will jump over that now. There. So what happened now is that now you have made a deposit. Okay, you have come to this step again. I have logged in. In your case, you'll come back to this and you say, but I have made a deposit. Okay, just see below where it says register deposit now. There says check again. You just push check again. So and now as we push check now, and we'll see like this, and there you can see it come up. So now you are basically ready to use the bot. Here you can choose some strategies. I will just choose one very basic now. You have better ones later below. And I will now just start the bot, and there you have it. You have many settings. I will show that in other videos. This is just to show you how the bot works. So you can see now he have already taken a buy trade. Let's hope we get a winner here now. Let's see. If you don't get a winner, he will basically double up with the settings we have right now. This strategy is not the best one, but let's see. We lost the first one, as you can see. That means he go in with a $10. So we just need to wait another few seconds. So let's see. I think I'll take a trade after this also, just so we can see, so we get a little better win rate. There, now we have 50% win rate. We got one win. Let's take one more trade to see how it goes. So yeah, and this is basically how it works. Super easy, and you can get started like this. So let's see if we can get a winner now. And anytime you can just leave the bot running, or you can just stop it whenever you want. So now let's see. There we got a win, and there's it. There we got it. It's that easy. So if you find this interesting, if you want to have this binary option robot yourself, you can see through my videos, you have seen me using this bot over and over and over again, but now you can see you can easily use it on your tablet or phone or whatever. And you see this button up there, you can just push hide, and you then come back to the brochure. So you see the brochure where you have all the pocket option things that you need. You can push the reload if you need to reload. You have the register button, basically you just need to do one time, but I did put it in top just for easy. And you also see that you have this login button. When you push any of these buttons, the bot automatically go away, and when you want to show it again, you just push this button that is all the way to the left. So that is how easy you can get started today by using this amazing binary option robot that can trade automatically for you at Pocket Option. So once again, if you want this binary option today, just use the one of the two links that you find below. One is for desktop and one is for cell phone. Later on in few days, this one will be available in Google Play Store, so it will be even easier to install. But for now, this is quite easy. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.